Hello students, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the third lesson of class 9. The topic is The Little Girl, which is written by Catherine Mansfield. First of all, we have to know about the writer. Catherine Mansfield, who was born and brought up in New Zealand, and she was a prominent short story writer, and she at the age of 19, Mansfield left New Zealand and settled in the United Kingdom, where she became a friend of writers such as D.H. Lawrence and Virginia Woolf. In 1917, she was diagnosed with tuberculosis, which led to her death at the age of 34. Master of the short story, Catherine Mansfield had much influence on the development of the short story as a form of literature. She evolved a distinctive prose style with many overtones of poetry. Her delicate stories focused upon psychological conflicts, have an obliquus of narration and a subtitle of observation that is reminiscent of Anton Chekhov. She was a prolific writer in the final years of her life, and much of her work remained unpublished till her death. After knowing the writer, the introduction of the lesson. The title of the story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer, Catherine Mansfield, wanted to tell us that children should share a very important bond of love with their parents. Although when children are small and when they are young, they did not feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict and many actions of the parents seemed unjustified. But as children grew up, they realized that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. And after the introduction, there are difficult words written by me, and I just suggest all the students to screenshot these words, difficult words meaning, and note down in your copy. And after that, we have to know the characters of these lessons. How many characters are there? There are four major characters that should be highlighted here. First was the Kezia, second was her father, and third was her grandmother, and fourth Mr. MacDonald. And the Kezia, she was a shy little girl. She always tried to be perfect in front of her father's eyes. She was afraid of her father because he always ordered everyone, and she did not show the real love to her. And her father, he always come out to rude to everyone, even his mother. His daily routine before going to the office was that he always come and give Kezia a casual kiss, and he called Kezia a little brown owl because she always looked so scared of him. Grandmother, she always encouraged Kezia to talk with her parents and to know them better. Mr. MacDonald, he was a kind-hearted man who always seems to play with his children whenever he got time. He was the polar opposite of Kezia's father. And the story, The Little Girl. In this story, there was a little girl whose name was Kezia. She used to live with her mother, her father, and her grandmother. She was afraid of her father, and she always used to avoid him. And she used to feel relaxed when her father went to the office. Kezia was so afraid of her father that she did not speak perfectly in front of him. He appeared to her as a harsh, rude, and critical. Her grandmother wanted her to understand her parents better, and she always asked her to go to the father's room and chat with her fathers so that the relationship between the parents and the children will be perfect. One day, father's birthday was there. Grandmother suggested Kezia to prepare a pin cushion for the birthday gift. Kezia started stitching the pin cushion. She stitched the three sides of the pin cushion, but she did not know what to stuff it in this cushion. So she went to the grandmother, but at that time grandmother was busy. So she went to the mother's room and she found that on the table there were so many papers were there. So she took the paper and tore the paper into short pieces and fill up the cushion, and she also stitched the fourth side of the cushion. But that night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's important speech for the port authority was not getting, and he became very angry. And servants were asked, mother was asked, rooms were searched, but he did not get. At last, Kezia was also asked. But Kezia admitted the truth, and father became angry and he beat her with a ruler on her palm. She felt that time not to understand her father's angry, and that time she accepted her mistake bitterly and said that why the God make fathers for. One evening she saw from her fence to the McDonald's house, and he was his neighbor. He was playing with 5 children, and at the time of playing he was laughing and enjoying with his children. This convinced Kezia that all fathers were not alike. Some were loving and caring like Mr. MacDonald, and some were cruel like her father. But soon her attitude towards her father was changed. And one day her mother was ill and she was taken to the hospital. Her grandmother also accompanied with her mother, and Kezia was left alone with the Alice the cook. But when the evening came, Kezia slept. That time the day was fine, but night was different issue for the Kezia. She used to see the nightmare, and in her nightmare she used to see and fear, and a butcher was there and he was carried with a knife and rope. Whenever she saw the nightmare, she felt very frightened and started weeping out of the fear. When that night also she saw the nightmare and she started weeping, and when she opened her eyes, she saw her father was standing beside her. He carried her to his bedroom and made her relax and comfortable on his bed. Father told and told her and convinced her so many things. She felt very safe and comfortable with his father. It was now she realized that her father was not all that of a giant, which she thought earlier, that he loved and cared for her in his own way, that he had to work the whole day to provide for his family, and no one was there to care him. and he was too tired by that time, and he should be also cared and loved by the family members. After the explanation, we have to know the summary of the little girl. As the title suggests, the little girl refers to the main characters of the story whose name was Kezia. Moreover, the main theme of the story was the relationship between the parents and their children. Also, the writer, Catherine Mansfield, wished to tell us that children should share a very deep bond of love with their parents. Even though young children did not feel that their parents love and care for them because they are strict and to them. Many of their parents' action appears unfair. Besides, when children grew up, they realized that all the acts of their parents were favorable for them. In addition, all along the parents were afraid for them, and below their strictness lies a heart full of love for them. Most importantly, this bond of love between parents and their children has been underlined through the little girl story. After the summary, we have to know the moral of the story. The moral of the short story, The Little Girl, is that parents should not be indifferent to their children. They should show their love towards their children even when too tired from work and do not have time for them. This is because display of love helps in creating a lovable, nurturing environment for the balanced growth of children. Further, parents should not be over disciplined and hit their children for small mistakes. Such insensitive behavior can disrupt the normal development of the child and result in stuttering. At last, the conclusion of the story that the conclusion is that there should be the love and caring relationship should be lies between the parents and their children. Thank you.